So this is the next project for us. Bought this one a little more turnkey. It doesn't need quite as in-depth of a reno. The roof is newer, windows are good, front door new, needs some tuck pointing on the steps. It's got new glass block windows in the basement. The gutters are good. It's really in good shape. When I walk you through, most of it's really updated. It just mostly is paint, flooring. The kitchen's even good, just really needs a cleaning. Bought it as is. You can see the light fixtures are updated. This vinyl, or this, what do you call it? Laminate's gonna come out. There's hardwood floors under here, so I'm gonna rip all this out. You can see it needs repainted, new electrical, stuff like that. I'll take you upstairs in a minute. Built-in's painted white. Most of it's already updated. The lights, doors are okay. A lot of the stuff's really good. It's gonna need a good deep cleaning, some flooring and paint. So yeah, I mean, this is the master. You can see the windows aren't even like rental grade. They're a little more higher end. They're decent. They left a ton of stuff behind, so we're gonna have a clean out. It's pretty standard for these. Gonna rip this carpet up. I'm hoping there's hardwood under here. Some furniture to get rid of, and then in the bathroom, the previous guy updated his stuff here, but I think I'm actually gonna rip the stack out and gut this whole bathroom. It's got original floor in here. The old tub, I want this out. He did a new surround, but didn't finish, and I think I'm gonna end up going tile. And really the last thing in this house is the old plumbing. So I know for a fact that it's old in the wall from the basement. So I'm thinking more than likely this is gonna be a full gut. Might take this all the way up the rest of the way because I probably have the room for better height. This back room, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this door yet. I don't know if it can just be painted and kept. It's kind of in rough shape. It probably needs ripped out. I'll go in the back in a little bit. This was more than likely an addition at one point. House really smells of dogs and cats. There's hair everywhere. Newer appliances. The kitchen's new-ish. It's like just Home Depot cabinets. But it's all really in great shape. Everything. Appliances are newer. Just needs a really deep cleaning. I mean, they literally left it with food in here. So, but it's a light lifter. I'm thinking most of the work is gutting that bathroom, redoing the plumbing. All this, sand down the floors. I considered keeping it. It's just I don't want cheap laminate. I'm trying to get a good price point on a rental on this long term. So this carpet's all got to come out. Hopefully I'm going to rip it today. This is just a little storage room. You know, nothing crazy in here. So they already updated it with paint colors. They were never upstairs. It was just cat puke up here. There's a half bath in here. So another reason why I want to gut the bathroom below is I want to get access to this. I don't know for sure if I'm going to rip the whole stack out. I know I got some galvanized drains that got to go. I could still leave the main part for the toilet, but like I'm at least going to rip out all the drain lines for the vanity downstairs. You can go PVC. It's already PVC for the kitchen when they remodeled that. I'll show you that in the basement. Closets, I mean, they're pretty much done. Like I really don't need to do much. I mean, some doorknobs. Windows are good. Like I said, paint and flooring. I don't know what's under this. I'm hoping it's like just like a hardwood, but I don't know. I hate putting carpet back in a rental. It just doesn't last. So if it ends up not being like a usable subfloor, I'm probably just going to do a cheap laminate. I like LVP, but prices are kind of crazy right now. So we'll see. But I mean, as you can see, even like all the light fixtures throughout are done. They're all updated. And they did paint. It just, they lived in it, so it needs redone. Basement, I can show you more. This is LVP, I think. It's either that or it's a glue down. I can't tell yet. But I think it's got to go. I don't know. We'll see if it'll clean up. I never added transitions here. Oh, it's so gross. This needs a really deep cleaning. This door I'm going to keep. Don't know what I'm going to do with this stuff yet. Might go with a very cheap stick down floor or something. Then in the basement, left a bunch of stuff. Appliances come with it. Brand new furnace and AC, which is great. It's 2 years old, so that's good. Even the gas lines, it looks like they updated a crap load of the gas lines. Like all this stuff's newer. Water, they did a ton of copper work. It's waterproofed. You see a waterproofing layer. See, this is the kitchen PVC. So they just went back into, actually, I just realized, I don't think that is PVC. No, I think it's PVC. They just dry locked over it, I think, or it's ABS or something, but it's not metal. So that's the sink drain. Panels updated, electrical wise. Tons of new circuits pulled for the kitchen and all that. They got all new ball valves all over the place, but they are shark bite. I don't like that, but I'm not going to replace them because that would be stupid. I'm not going to rip anything out. But anything I find in a wall, like up in the bathroom, like he updated it with shark bites, that's got to go. So here, they added a PVC clean out. I could just, this is for the vanity up in the bathroom. I could at least just come into here and Fernco in PVC because I want to get rid of at least the small lines. The big lines don't clog up as much or as easy. I'd imagine that goes up to the half bath. And then that is actually no, this is probably the first floor. And this goes up to the second floor half bath. I'm not sure. But it's copper, all the valves seem to be in really good shape. Got another drain line over here for the tub. Right here, you see? That's all got to go. I got to get all this out of here. I'm ripping all this out. So that'll be done. But yeah, you can see the basement was waterproofed. I don't see any water intrusion anywhere. It doesn't smell moist down here. Got a sump pump over here. So glass block windows. This one's more or less turnkey. They needed to move in a hurry. It doesn't, the last project we had, it had a block wall. This has got a nice beam in it. It's more open concept down here. This is just going to get painted. You know, clean out and paint. It's almost annoying. We do it all in-house. So, like, I don't really sub anything. I'll sub some electrical and plumbing if it's a little advanced or stuff like that. But, clean outs, everything is all done in-house. So water meter, the main, that's going to get changed out. I realize that's an old valve. I just now I'm seeing this. But in general, man, like, this house is solid. I mean, my only complaint is that the stack, and it's just basically the tub drain, the vanity, and then I should look into that. I don't know why it's so hard, but it's not metal, but it's definitely fern coat in. I don't know if it's fern coat and they cut it. I don't know. But I want to address the plumbing, make sure it's bulletproof. But as you can see, this place is really cosmetics. Clean out, paint, and flooring throughout. Even the light fixtures are done. So, yep. Show you the backyard. Backyard. This is that door that I'm saying it's kind of needs to come out. I don't know if it can be painted. It's kind of rotten at the bottom. I don't want to do it, but It's going to need to be done, and it's about to be October, so we got to get on the exterior stuff. They had dogs back here ripping up the yard. It's all part of the game. They leave it as is, so we got to handle it. All this is coming down. Everything is just getting ripped out. It's a shame, too, because this pool, I think, is only like a year or two old. But concrete's in good shape in the driveway. The roof in the back is a little you know, it's got more moss on it. Up front, it looks a lot better. But they don't have any roofing issues. The garage roof, it's all right. It doesn't seem to be bringing any water in. I don't see any leaks. I've checked on it after rainstorms. I've owned it about a week or two. It's just basically a clean out. I don't even think I'm going to paint or do anything in here. Just clean it out. And the good thing is a lot of it's been useful. I already gave a ton of stuff away. So yeah, that's the project. Just wanted to get a before video. By the time I do an after video, there's probably going to be snow on the ground. So you ain't going to see anything back here. But I'll just be all cleaned out. So